Hello and welcome to UNCG and the Spartan family. We are the Cashier and Student Account Office, and you will work with us each semester to make sure you understand your account balance and to get your payments made on time. Let's get started with some details. The process begins with registration. Registering for classes means you'll be charged tuition and fees. Signing up to live and eat on campus means you'll be charged for a room and meal plan. Opting into other options such as parking on campus, signing up for bookstore bucks, and using the university's health insurance plan means you will be charged for these additional costs. You can monitor your student account 24/7 online in your Student Account Center, which is accessible through your UNC Genie account. This account will give you the most up-to-date charges that are reflected on your student account. To get an idea of what some of the charges may be before you register for classes, visit our website, spartancentral.uncg.edu. To look at our tuition and fee schedule for the spring semester, you'll find two different schedules for the undergraduate students, one for main campus and one for online. During the fall and spring semesters, your tuition and fees are charged according to your major. If you are registered in a main campus degree program, your tuition and fees will be charged the main campus rates. If you are registered in an online degree program, your tuition and fees will be based on the distance education rates. As well, your tuition rate will be based on your residency status. Please be aware that you may need to complete a residency appeal if you are being charged out-of-state rate, but you are truly an in-state resident. You will complete this appeal online at ncresidency.org. Again, as a Spartan, you'll be able to monitor your charges online in your Student Account Center. To access this portal, you'll first log in to your UNC Genie account and on the UNC Genie main menu. Click the link for Student Account Center. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see your overall account balance due. If you have any pending financial aid, that will need to be reflected as well. You can click on the View Activity link to see further details of your account. Within this center, you'll also be able to make payments, enroll into payment plans, save your bank account details for future payment methods as well for direct deposit or student refunds, and view tax information. You may also assign authorized users to your account. These users will have access to your student account to view your balance and to make payments. They will also receive email notifications anytime a bill is generated. Of course, you as the student will also receive any email once a bill is generated for you. Once you get that email, log into the center to view it. We recommend you become very familiar with this portal regularly. Monitor your student account balance. Any balance you incur within the semester must be settled by the end of the semester. Otherwise, you may be prevented from moving forward to the next semester. Unfortunately, if you are just now registering for spring semester classes, you will not receive an official bill statement in this time. In the future, as you pre-register for the next semester, you will receive a billing statement as for the spring. Make sure to monitor your charges online and submit payment by the first day of classes. For this semester, the deadline for payment is the first day of classes, January 10th. Please understand this deadline is extremely important, and if your balance is not settled by that deadline, your spring registration will be in jeopardy of cancellation. Payments may be made in person, by mail, or online. In the office, we accept cash, check, or money order. If you come to the office after business hours, you're welcome to use our drop box. Just put your payment along with your student name, ID number, and sealed envelope, and drop it in the box for us to process the following business day. If you mail the payment, send a check or money order payable to UNCG and include your student ID number. We'll process the payment and the day it is received. Online payments are the quickest and easiest form payment. Please know there is a 2.85% service fee to use a card, but no fee to use an electronic check. There is a current payment plan available if you would like to use it for the spring semester. You would owe your balance in 3 equal statements. There is no interest, but you will be charged a one-time $50 setup fee for use of one of these plans. The plan will be set up online in your student account center and will be based on the current balance due on the account. The current amount takes into account any pending financial aid or other funding that has been entered in your student account. Within the setup process, you will see the amounts and due dates for the remaining installments. You may also schedule those for future installments on auto pay at any time. The final step of the setup process is to submit payment of the first installment. Throughout the semester, if there are any changes in your semester balance, the remaining installments will update. You'd be sent an email notification if and when that happens. If you are using a 529 savings plan to pay your spring balance, please work directly with your provider on getting this payment processed and submitted to our office by the deadline. If you have an authorization that allows us to bill an outside vendor for payment of your charges, make certain we receive your vendor's payment voucher or authorization no later than January 10th payment deadline. If you have completed a FAFSA and have been awarded, you should see that estimated aid pending on your account. If something is incorrect or missing, please contact the Office of Financial Aid and Scholarships directly to get it resolved. Their office handles the processing of all loans, grants, and scholarships. Students who have completed a FAFSA and will be receiving federal financial aid while enrolled at UNCG must complete a Title V authorization form. This form is available online in your UNC Genie account and includes 2 sections for completion. Section A pertains to the current semester if you owe any charges outside of tuition, fees, room, and meals. You must authorize your financial aid to apply toward those other charges if in the future you owe a balance of $200 or less at the end of the semester and would like to carry it over to the next academic year. You must authorize that in Section B. This is a one-time form, and you will never have to complete this again if you opt to change your response. Every January, UNCG issues to all students a 1098-T tax informational form. This form reflects payments made toward applicable charges for that tax year, as well as total grants and scholarships that were received. Please understand, while we can assist you with this information on the form, we are not tax professionals and cannot give you any tax advice. However, once you receive this form and you have question figures on it, please reach out to our office for assistance. A requirement on this form is that we include student social security number. If you have not completed a FAFSA, please complete with our office a W-9S form. We only need part 1 completed with your name, address, and social security number. Please complete the form and mail or fax it to our office, or feel free to hand deliver it to us. Again, this is only needed if you have not completed a FAFSA. For those who have done the FAFSA, your social has already been received as a part of the FAFSA process. Please reach out to us anytime if you have any questions or need further assistance. You are welcome to email us, call us, or schedule an appointment in Starfish to sit down and speak with us in person. Please also visit us online at spartancentral.uncg.edu and use our chat box, Mini, if you need any help finding the answers you are seeking. Again, welcome to UNCG. We look forward to working with you.